just spray this down, and I'm just gonna do a quick touch up with this rag here. And there's a lot of stuff on here. I just kind of want to detail it a little bit by hand. And then we extract. See, better. Get the corners here. And then we're going to squeegee it. Just get the edges a little bit with this. Because this tends to drip down, you know, so you want to kind of get that. All right. So if you compare the windows right here to this, let's see if we can, do you see all the contaminants on that window? This is a tinted window, by the way. Not recommended to use Windex or those kind of products. So again, we're going to apply this solution and we're going to see what happens. But you can see this one came out phenomenal. That one hasn't been done yet. You can see, look what's on there. See? And a lot of people in Florida will say, well, you just, when you soft wash the house, that'll clean up this windows to an extent, but you're not rinsing it. And a lot of the bleach will ruin these tinted windows. And these windows aren't getting covered for the most part when soft washes are performed. So it is important to have a window cleaning system. We're using a mild cleaner specifically for windows, but you could also use a little bit of Dawn dish soap and water. We're looking at the windows here. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but there is some paint spatter right there. And that doesn't come out with the cleaning. And another thing, although I like using the window mop, sometimes it requires a little detail that the mop doesn't get out, like this right here. I don't think you can see, maybe you can see, there's a adhesive right here that I need to get out, and I'm gonna have to do that by hand. This you can get out, but I am not gonna get that out. I've already alerted the client that I'm not taking that out. That's an extra charge, and that is dangerous. These windows are new, and I don't want any scratches. So that's gonna have to stay, and that's fine because it's not that noticeable. The adhesive I'll take out, and you can see how much better the windows look. Just, they look great. I wish I could film more of the squeegeeing. Just watch my other window cleaning videos and you'll see. And this particular home, what's great about having your own cleaning business is one home can bring in a lot of work. So not only do we do the deep clean on the floors, we did the cleaning in the house, the carpet, and we did tile and grout, and also the windows, and we're going to do the pressure washing, or soft washing I should say, as time comes up in the next couple of months, you know, when all the leaves are fallen and it's a little bit dirtier. So we're going to be doing that, plus possibly the deck, but we're definitely doing the home. But I'm going to just detail that for just a moment and just work on the adhesive. Just get that out. And it's gonna not be perfect, but it's gonna be better. It might be perfect. So I'm gonna keep working on this and I'll keep you posted. You can see how great these look. I mean, they just look magnificent. And you can't do this with Windex. So you have a cleaning company that comes in, make sure that they're using the proper techniques and the proper chemistry, because a Windex will leave a haze. Eventually, it'll start damaging the tint on the windows, and you definitely don't want that. Believe me, it happens quick. So bleach, a big no-no. Ammonia, a lesser of a no-no. You see here, streak free inside and out. Glass don't lie. So these are 4 windows. Now, technically, you could make them 8 windows, half here, because there's a long window, but the long windows are easy. There's no screens to impede the process.